Blue whale. Blue whale is so huge, it's bigger than any animal on Earth. Lifespan of a blue whale is 90 to 100 years. Orcas are smart ocean hunters that swim in family teams called pods. The octopus uses its 8 arms to explore and squirt ink when surprised. Penguins waddle on ice and dive fast to catch fish. Male penguin take care of the baby chick. Jellyfish float like glowing balloons in the deep blue sea. Crocodiles wait quietly in water, then snap with super strong jaws. Crabs scuttle sideways on the sand, waving their claws proudly. Sea turtles glide gracefully through the water and always return home to lay eggs. Narwhals have long spiral tusks, just like sea unicorns. Narwhals are found in Arctic region, Canada, and North Russia. Squids zoom through the ocean using jet speed and clouds of ink. Bowhead whales sing underwater songs and live for more than 200 years. Goblin sharks live deep in the ocean and have funny, long noses. Hermit crabs travel in colonies. Average lifespan of a hermit crab is 30 years. Crab. There are around 7,000 crab species around the world. Clownfish. Female clownfish can lay 4,500 eggs at a time. Lobsters crawl along the sea floor and snap their strong claws for food. Frogs leap high, croak loudly, and love to splash in ponds. Whale sharks are gentle giants that eat teeny plankton for dinner. Seals swim fast, clap their flippers, and love relaxing on rocks. Swans glide gracefully across the water like floating clouds. Toads hop around on land with bumpy skin and big smiles. Stingrays glide across the seafloor like smooth underwater kites.